Hello students, we're gonna graph this line given the slope and the intercept, okay? So we'll start with the y-intercept and it tells me that it's a -1. This means my line hits the y-axis at -1. Well, here is where -1 is, so I can plot that point already, right? And then this is the slope. So let me look at that a little closer. I'm gonna put the negative with the 7 on top. And this is still the same as that, right? It's -7/6. So the top has to do with the change in y, and the bottom has to do with that change in x. This means the y is gonna lose 7 units of value, right? So we're gonna go down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Had that been positive, we would have gone up, right? It would be gaining units. Here, the 6 is a positive 6, right? That negative, we put them on top. So the x, in the x, we're gonna gain 6 units of value. So we're gonna come to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Had that been a -6, we would have gone to the left, okay? But here we are, we have our 2 points, and now we can draw our line. And there you go. That's my line. And it's pretty nice. Okay, let's look at another one. Check out number 4 here. The slope looks a little bit funny, but let's go ahead and graph the intercept. So it says that the y-intercept is -4. So on the y-axis, I'm looking for -4, and it's right here, right? It's hard to see, but it's a little negative on that guy. So this is where my y-intercept is, right? So I've used this already. And now I'm going to write down the slope. The slope is 8. Okay, we have a problem because usually it's that we want the top to be the change in y and the bottom to be the change in x, but we only have one number. So the way we're going to fix this is we're going to put a 1 underneath, okay? 8 divided by 1 is still 8, so we haven't changed the number. So there you go. This is my change in y, and then this is my change in x. So again, the y, because it's positive, it's going to gain 8 units of value. That means we're going to go up 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool? So that's 8 taken care of. And now I'm going to come to the right. I'm going to do the change in x, and I'm going to gain 1 unit of value. And we'll come here. So that's where my point is. And I can connect these points now. And there you go. That's your line. Okay, so go ahead and try these. The only thing you really have to be careful with is when you got that negative in front, you want to make sure you put him on top and not in both places. Sometimes people make the mistake of putting him both at the top and the bottom. Don't make that mistake, okay? Alrighty, thank you very much and good luck.